Alright, how's everybody doing today? Back again with another video for you guys and gals, and this one I'm really excited to bring to everyone. So what I have here for everyone today is my unboxing and first impressions of the Comica CVM-V30 LITE cardioid shotgun style microphone. Alright, so let me get into the unboxing and first impressions for you guys and gals. And I gotta say, I've been looking forward to picking up this microphone for a while now. But, you know, at least where my channel is concerned and when I hunt for deals, it's all about patience and waiting for the best time to pick up a product. This actually went on sale and it was actually $10 cheaper than the retail price, and I figured couldn't be a better time to pick it up. So we're not going to talk about the price here. We're going to save that for the full review, but I'm super pumped to have picked this up. So without further ado, I already cracked all the tapes and seals, and let's get into this unboxing and first impressions. Now, first off, I gotta say I really do like the packaging. I like the layout on this. Alright, so y'all can see there's the microphone, and I did get the red and black version. Now I do believe this comes in two different versions. You have a red and black, and then you have a all black. So we have the red and black, and you can see I like the way how the specs are all nicely laid out here. So y'all can see, feel free to pause and read for yourself. But the most important thing for me is this right here, smartphone compatibility, because you guys and gals know the whole production process for my YouTube channel is done primarily with smartphones. So any microphone or any product that I pick up, I always have to make sure that it's compatible with my smartphones. Alright? And then on this side, we just have some microphone specifications. Let me get a nice close-up so y'all can read that. Alright. So it's a super cardioid style, shotgun style microphone. And that pretty much does it for the packaging. Now let's get into this. Slide this out real fast. And what else we got going on? That's about it. Oh no, there's a booklet in there. Almost missed it. Fish that out. Alright, what is this? Some type of, what is this? Comica Audio Microphone Certified Dealer. So this is some type of dealer card or a satisfaction card. Yep, it is. Let me put the box off to the side here. So yeah. This is the card that came in the box there. You get that to focus. There you go. Alright. And then on the back, we just have some contact information. Again, let me get that to focus. There you go. Alright. So, throw this off to the side. Let me see what else we're working with here. Alright. So, we got the microphone right here. We're going to take a look at that in a second. Then we have our warranty card. Right there. Really small text. Then we have our user manual right here. And this microphone is not only compatible with smartphones, it's also compatible with DSLR cameras. So really, really nice. Alright, we're going to look at this user manual in a second here. Let's take a look at the microphone itself. Now, how does this come off here? Okay, there's a nice cover on it. So let's pull that cover off. Okay, and now we have access to the microphone. So here we go. And neat thing that I like about this is everything is pretty much all set up. So here's the microphone here, and it already has the wind muff on it, and I believe it's built in, so I don't believe that this comes off. Now, I am mistaken, it does come off. So just so y'all can see what the actual microphone looks like, this is what the actual microphone looks like without the wind guard on it or windscreen on it. And then it just installs just like that. And it's ready for action. And now this is the plug that would go into your smart device. And similar to my Boya microphone, we do have a hot shoe mounting point here with a regular basic mounting thread. So you can mount this on your tripods, your DSLR cameras, so on and so forth. Anything with a hot shoe mount. So really, really nice. And I gotta tell y'all, the first impressions when we talk about the build quality, I'm liking this. Now, it's not too heavy, it's not too light, it's kind of got a nice weight to it, so that's really, really good. And I like it. I like the overall design. Okay? So really, really good. And another neat thing that I like here, I can already tell you, is that this, it doesn't look like this comes on unplugged. So everything is contained in one unit. So really, really nice. And you can see we got our gold-plated audio jack here. So we should be able to get some really good quality out of this microphone, because we got the gold plating as opposed to the silver. So really good stuff there. Nothing else in the package. Alright. Silica gel. Don't need to worry about that. Alright. So throw this off to the side. And now let's take a second to briefly run through the user manual and we'll wrap this video up. So alright, pretty beefy user manual. Now, the only reason why I run through the user manual in the unboxing, because I know some of you guys and gals like to see it. So try and get this nice and close up to the camera as possible. Feel free to pause and read. Now, we'll go over what you guys and gals need to know in the full review, but this is just for everybody who like to see what everything looks like. So first page is, second page, really, really nice. Alright, third page, giving you a nice detailed diagram and steps on how to configure everything. Alright, more diagrams. Okay, really good stuff there. And it also told you, I don't know, let me flip back here. So you have to toggle whether you're using your camera or you're using your smartphone. So I have to hit this toggle right here. Alright, so we're gonna have to toggle that over to smartphone when we get ready to use it. So really, really nice. And you guys and gals already know we're gonna give it the full treatment. Gonna go through everything on this microphone, and then they do have some configurations that you can use. So again, this is just one of the ways that you can mount the microphone. Alright, and it's letting you know the sound pickup area. So it is a shotgun style microphone, so that's important to know right there. And then it looks like it switches to another language. So we do have multiple languages, and that pretty much does it for the user manual. Alright, I gotta tell y'all, I am super excited though to try this out, add this microphone to my arsenal of production equipment. And yeah. And just so y'all can see, I'm gonna go ahead and attach what this microphone will look like on my current rig at the end of the video, so y'all can see what it looks like. And again, the really neat thing is that as long as I have a smartphone with a 3.5mm headphone jack, it's just gonna work. Anyways, I think that pretty much does it for this unboxing and first impressions video of the Comica CVM-V30 LITE Super Cardioid microphone. I hope you guys and gals enjoyed the video. If you did enjoy the video, please help your boy out and give the video a thumbs up. That really does help me out. You don't know how much. If you guys and gals would like to see more content like this, please feel free to hit the subscribe button down below and click off the notification bell icon right next to it so you guys and gals get notified when I publish new videos. That being said, if this video piqued your interest, all the links to where you guys and gals can pick up this microphone at some really great prices will be available down below in the video description. So as always, if your interest is piqued, down below in the video description should be like a one-stop shop for you guys and gals, and you should be good to go. That being said, this whole video was recorded on my Samsung Galaxy S8 in 720p resolution at 30 frames per second. So please let me know what you think of the overall video quality down below in the comments. Also, all the audio for this video was recorded using the Boya microphone. So please let me know what you think of the overall audio down below in the comments as well. I hope everyone has a great day, and I will catch you guys and gals in my next video. Have a good one, everybody. Peace. Alright, and just so y'all can see, this is one of the configurations right here. So we're using our Ulanzi mount, and we got the Comica microphone mounted up to it. Real nice and simple. Then we got my Google Pixel XL, and you can see it actually fits in there perfectly. I have no struggles putting it in. Everything's in there exactly how it should be. And you can see, if we get a close-up here, that the Google Pixel XL is picking up the microphone. That's what this little icon is right here. And you could see, if I get it to focus, sorry y'all, that it does say use external microphone. And all I had to do was plug it in and toggle this switch right here to smartphone. So perfect. This is configuration number 1. Okay? And then my other configuration is using my my video production kit here, the Ango production kit, and the other mount that I picked up, the Tartan or Tyrian mount. That will be my other configuration there, as well as any other configuration I could think of with any of my mini mounts or any of my mini tripods, so on and so forth. So just so y'all can see how you can set it up, or at least one of the ways you can set it up, I figured I attach this clip to the end of the unboxing and first impressions. Alright, out of here.